Hello, and welcome back to Ice Punch. Today we'll explain how to make your very own lemonade in just a few minutes, low of cost, easy and delicious. Sounds cool? So what are we waiting for? Let's start with the ingredients. We need some sugar, oranges or lemons, water, glass and an orange press. If you do not have some of these items, don't worry. You can buy them almost everywhere or replace them with an alternative. Now let's get in action. First of all, we get the juice from our yummy lemon. Let's press it and put the juice into the glass. Next, we put in the sugar and water as well. Now you have to decide how much sugar or water you want to put in. It varies on your taste. After all of that, we stir our result heavily and enjoy the good drink. We hope it tastes well. As always, do not forget to subscribe, or a spider will go into your mouth this night. Haha. Bye then, and until the next time.